In this video, we are going to study about the classification of hemichordata. So the hemichordates could be the worm-like or the leaf-like structures or branching structures. So in the taxonomic classification, they are further divided. The phylum Hemichordata is further divided into two major classes. The one is called the class Enteropneusta, and the example is acorn worms. They are worm-like creatures. And the second is pterobranchia, and these are pterobranchs, which are the branching animals which are sessile in their uh, nature. So let's start with the classification. Go through the Enteropneusta. So the word Enteropneusta has the two parts. The entero means intestine or the stomach, and neusticos means breathing. So these are the animals have given name based on their respiratory features, where they get the water into their gut, and then water is filtered through the pharyngeal slits, and at the same time their oxygen is diffused from the fresh water to their blood. So hence they are known as the Enteropneusta. They are mainly, or all of them are marine worms, and their size varies from 10 centimeter to 40 centimeters, which is quite big, but and can be as long as 2 meters. And major part of their body length consists of their abdomen. So normally live in the burrows in the sand, and those burrows are made in the U shape, where the animals basically burrows into the sand from one side and then gets back to the surface, making a U shape structure. Right. So basically, if you consider this is the sandy structure, the animal starts burrowing here and then it comes back to the surface so that it can feed. So the basically they lives into these U-shaped burrows. They feed on sediments and the small suspended organic matters and plant planktons and other microorganisms in the water, which are filtered through their pharyngeal slits. The embryonic development is deuterostomic, and their body is covered with the epidermis, which has the cilia on it to provide movement of the water along the body surface, and also have the glands that perform the chemoreception and other mucus producing ability to the animal.